Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ACER Iconia M10 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen and maybe it will be faster in the settings. So just tap and open the keyboard. Alright, and now all we have to do is to enter the settings themselves. As you can see in my case, they are not visible in this upper bar, so let's tap on the three dots icon, tap on got it, and the settings are right here. You can tap on them, hold them, and drag them to this upper panel to have much faster access to it. So let me enter the settings and tap on the languages. This is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to scroll and find it, or you can enter the name of the specific language, it will be faster, and simply tap on it after finding. Now you can choose the specific keyboard type. And the amount of them depends on the specific language. Sometimes you will have only one, and sometimes even up to 7 different keyboard layouts. So just mark the option and tap on done. As you can see, we just successfully added the language, and before I'll show you how to remove the previous one, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So basically the most important thing is this globe icon, so the language key which will allow us to change the keyboard language. So currently we've got the English layout, and after tapping on it we've got the Urdu one. Another difference is the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So to remove the language, simply enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and then tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Mark the language you want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.